Hello and welcome. You know, artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing our world very, very quickly. So today, let's talk about what these big changes really mean for us, for our jobs, our health, and what comes next.
Okay, so here's our plan. First, we'll see how AI is changing everything. Then, we'll talk about a big worry many people have: jobs. After that, we'll look at the good things AI can do, how we can get ready for it, and talk about making sure it's fair. And at the end, we'll think about our future with AI. So, let's start with our first topic. We know AI is changing everything, but what exactly is this new technology? Let's make sure we understand that first.
So what is artificial intelligence? Well, simply, it's when we make computers that can learn and think, kind of like people. They can do tasks on their own. It's not just about following orders we give them. They can actually learn things and make decisions.
And this is happening right now, not far away in the future. This technology is growing all around the world, and it's happening so fast. It's really changing how we work and live every single day.
Now, because things are changing so quickly, a lot of people are asking a very important question. They're worried, and they're asking, will machines take our jobs?
We can already see that robots and computer programs are starting to do the easy, boring jobs, the ones that are the same every time. The hope is that this lets people do more interesting work, like solving difficult problems or being creative. So when you see this happening, it makes sense that you might worry. You might ask yourself, is my job safe? And if you do feel worried about machines taking your job, well, you're not the only one. It's a normal feeling when there are such big changes happening in the world. But it's not all bad news. There's another side to this. AI can also help us in some really amazing ways, and it's already happening.
Let's look at healthcare, for example. In medicine, AI is helping doctors do a better job and helping patients get well. We can see the good things it's doing right now.
One of the best things about AI here is that it's super fast. A computer can look at medical information much, much faster than a person can. It can find small problems that a doctor might not see. Because it's so fast and powerful, it helps doctors find out what is wrong with a patient more correctly. This means people can get the right help sooner. Okay, so we know these big changes are coming. The really important question is, what can we do? How can we get ready for this new time?
Well, most experts agree on two main things. First, we need to learn new computer skills. And second, we have to keep learning new things all the time. We can't just stop.
And this is really the main point. This is a big change, and we can't just sit and watch it happen. We need to join in and be ready to learn, or we might get left behind.
But as we get used to AI, there's another big thing to think about. We have to make sure this new technology is fair for all people.
This means we have to ask some tough questions. For example, should a computer be able to decide if you get a job, or if you can get money from a bank to buy a house? And should it make that decision all by itself? It's so important that we make sure these computer systems are not unfair. You see, if the information they learn from is unfair, then their decisions will be unfair too, and that's a big problem. So to make it fair, we need good, clear rules. We also need to learn how to control this technology so we can use it safely and in a good way. Okay, for our last section, let's put all these ideas together. What will our future with AI really look like? If there's one important thing to remember, it's this: the future is not about people fighting against machines, no. It's about people and machines working together. So I want to leave you with one last thing to think about. In this new world with AI, what will you do? How will you work together with this technology?